Ryan Greer. I'm a design engineer and I've been here for a little over 10 years. The best thing about working here in my experience with what I do is that every day is something different. Because of the stuff that I do work on, nothing's ever really the same. A customer will send in a request for a seal for a specific piece of equipment. And they'll say, this is what equipment it's going on, this is what the process is, this is what we're trying to seal. Then they'll say, these are the conditions, temperatures, pressures, viscosity, specific gravity, stuff like that. All things that are important to know when you're actually speccing a seal for an application. That goes to the applications department. They'll look at it, they'll vet it, they'll look and see what type of seal it should be. And then they start looking at, okay, what's the equipment that it's going into? Okay, do we have anything standard off the shelf that will fit that piece of equipment? If they don't, then they start looking at, okay, what modifications need to be made? There are certain things on certain seals that we are allowed to modify and it still be considered quote unquote standard. The stuff we work on is more along the lines of, okay, we've got this piece of equipment, needs this type of seal. This is what you've got to put it in. This is the room you've got. Make it fit. This is a highly specialized field and you're always learning something, and you're not going to come into here and know what you're doing day one. It takes a while to get the knowledge and the experience to do this job every day. I would like to one day be given the opportunity to kind of teach some other people what I've learned since I've been here and kind of mentor some people up. I've done that a little bit with some of the programs that we have here. We have a technical foundations course that as long as somebody's been here for a certain amount of time and they show an aptitude and they show a willingness to learn, we'll put them through a course and they all get assigned somebody from engineering as a mentor. And then we kind of take them through some of the really basic stuff just to kind of give them an idea about what it is that we do. Really is a great place to work. They really seem to be invested in the people that work here. They give you all the tools that you need to be able to succeed at your job. I'm not saying it's easy. You do have to have a willingness to learn, because a lot of people when they come here, they don't know anything about what we do. And that's okay, it's fine. I would challenge anybody to come in here and try to find somebody that when they came here, that they knew exactly what we do. Even if you work for another seal company, you might know a little bit about how a mechanical seal works, but you don't really know the AES way. You're never gonna step in here and know everything you need to know from day one. But that's okay, because that's part of the process of working here, is having that time to be able to learn what it is that you need to know to be able to do this job. And they're more than willing to give you that time, but you have to be willing to put the time in as well.